today we have been privileged to host the mock debates for SAIMUN. And SAIMUN, it is an abbreviation that means Sub-Saharan International Model United Nations. And it is a non-profit organization that is led by youths in Kenya. And it basically models what happens in the United Nations, whereby students role play as delegates and they simulate the UN committees.
I found this SAIMUN event very impactful because it taught me a lot, both as a student, and it helped me see a bigger view on what is happening all over the world.
SAIMUN has taught me how to express myself and to build up my self-confidence. However, it has also helped me to approach problems and to find solutions about them.
As a teacher, I feel like SAIMUN has helped me to keep abreast with the things that are happening in relation to development, and I think this is a very important aspect as pertains to us as career people, because we need to be focusing ahead and looking at what we can do so as to bring change.
I learned what it will be like for my future, because I want to do international affairs, which will mean working with the UN. And it was an eye-opening activity. I feel like it has touched close to home, and it's something that I want to do in the future.
What I learned from the SAIMUN mock debates was that every person has a voice, and we have the opinion to show that voice, to fight for what we believe in, and to challenge the otherwise societal norms of women and girls having to sit down and listen to what the patriarchy has to say.
I learned to debate, to interact, to know the problems of the world and how to solve them at large.
I learned that one solution is not the best solution. Therefore, different perspectives on a specific problem can give us different solutions to help lead us into a better global society.
I found today's event very impactful and inspirational to me, because I learned how to talk in public places, how to solve problems worldwide.
I found the SAIMUN event very impactful. I got to interact with other students and learn more about the world through them, and with them we got to make different notes, and I got to learn different points of views about it.
I can say that it was good. It was something I'm really thankful for the school for doing.
Today's event was very fun and informative, especially for the students, because they got to experience for the first time what happens in the UN committees.
I have learned what future we need to build together.
It opened my eyes, because I got to feel what it will feel like to be part of an international group.
I got the chance to share my opinion proudly, voice it out, and have other people listen to me, as well as not only listen but as well as learn from me, and that empowers me as a student at Brookhurst International School.